Want to know how to log out from replit.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your replit.com website through your web browser. And once you have done that, here you should be provided with this interface right here. So, on the top left side, you should be seeing this small Replit icon. So, you can just simply select it. And now once I've selected it here, you should be seeing various settings like account, profiles, and once more. So right below help, you should be also seeing something known as logging out. So that is super simple to log out. So you can just simply select log out once, and once that is done, you can just simply see that you have been successfully logged out of Replit. And this is it. This is how you can easily log out in the Replit app or website. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.